The Makati Regional Trial Court this morning heard but not yet decided on the Justice Department's plea for the issuance of arrest order against Senator Antonio Trillanes IV. May Bermudez tells us why.
The Makati Regional Trial Court is still undecided on whether to grant the plea to issue an arrest order against Senator Antonio Trillanes IV. During today's hearing, Presiding Judge Andres Bartolome Soriano of Makati RTC Branch 148 asked Trillanes' legal counsel to submit a rejoinder or additional arguments in asking for the dismissal of the motion filed by the Department of Justice seeking his arrest and to bar him from leaving the country. The court further granted the request of Trillanes' lawyer to supplement their arguments, while the prosecution is given 5 days to comment.
Also, upon the request of the same counsel for Senator Trillanes, is also given a similar period of 10 days from today to file their supplemental comment or opposition to the pending incident herein, which is the omnibus motion of the prosecution.
After all the pleadings were submitted, the court will decide whether or not there are sufficient grounds to order Trillanes' arrest. DOJ argues the senator should present to the court original copies of his amnesty application in 2011. They also underscored that admission of guilt on the part of the senator is fictional. But Trillanes' legal counsel argued before the court that several officials, particularly Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Sal Panelo and President Duterte, have an evolving theory on the senator's case. He also claimed Proclamation 572 is specifically directed against Trillanes, despite the fact that over 200 other mutineers applied and availed of the same amnesty grant.
Yung Pangulo mismo ang nagsabi na iba na yung teorya nila dun sa proclamation. Ang sinasabi nila ngayon, null and void yung amnesty kasi hindi si Presidente Aquino ang nakapirma. We just pointed out na kahit yung palasyo hindi alam kung ano yung teorya nila dito sa and it goes to show that afterthought na lang yun. Nung makita nila na there are videos and there are documentary evidence that the senator actually filed and made an admission of guilt.
A similar motion for Trillanes' arrest is set to be heard tomorrow by Makati RTC Branch 150, the court which handled Trillanes' rebellion charges. May Bermudez, UNTV News and Rescue, Makati City.